Well, this is what I've been working on past couple of days. It's a little work in progress. Redid the whole front end, new engine pan, new sidebars, a little bumper on there. All that work for that friggin' 18 horse fit on there. Lifted the front end up. Did that with square tubing, so it sits way higher now on the front end. My little ghetto rocker pedal works good. Put a bunch of fucking crap on the side for footboards, but oh well. Took two fenders, welded them down the center, put them together. High and low. Dry shaft driven. All the hoses over there. Let's go around here. That's what the hoses are for. Two pillar block bearings. Friggin', I think that's like an inch and a quarter, inch and a half shaft going out. I think that's a 6 or a 10-ton ram. Got a little layoff plow, whatever you want to call it, so you can do rows for planting veggies and shit. Little project I did for my dad. He can't even hardly walk. Still work in progress. Got a little ammo can. Got tools in it. There's a hydraulic control box. The shifter. But yeah. Got these nice friggin' knobbies on the back. And kind of did a little adjustment for the ass to make it sit higher. Cut it off right here, because it used to be way down there. I just jacked the frame up and welded it across flat. So I mean, that sits way up there. There's my foot. It's dirty, oh well, barefooted, who cares? But it's got to sit. 1.5 foot, 2 foot off the ground now. Old school Briggs and Stratton. Got a newer gas tank on there. It's knocking a little bit because it's cold. Once it gets warm, it quits knocking. Got an old drain hose. Quick oil change in it. That's my little project. This is just about done. Now it's just basically time to make it all beautified and stuff. Fill in all the little holes there and there. And try to do something with that. I gotta rerun them wires. I had to pull it out to get that pedal in. That, I think, used to be a lever there for the deck that was underneath it. The deck had gone. But I had a Nissan, and these springs were still a little too high for it. Yeah, that's jammed on there. But that's just a pulley sitting on top of there. Got that as a seat spring. Works pretty good. It's not rough on the ass. Oh, excuse my language. I don't know if you can cuss, but oh well, who cares? But yeah. that's that. And right here, I got a little, what is it, 150cc, 110cc, some shit like that. Four-wheeler. Everything's there. Motor runs somewhat, needs to be rebuilt. Really didn't care about it. But yeah, I got that motor. I mean, thinking about breaking it down and selling it. Thinking about going to All Train Tractor forums to see if anybody wants it. Rear end and stuff. But the front end is missing, and I will show you why. Give me 1 second here. A little messy. There's my little welder. I have an practically brand new Troy built. There be the front end. Shock tower, whole 9. It's got a brand spanking new friggin' motor on it. It's probably got 2-3 hours on there. Steering kept messing up on it. We stuck it over here. To the hell with it. Light's a little shitty. Maybe I should turn the light on. But I welded it down there. Solid weld. This right here, welded into there. Come down to the frame in the bottom. Welded it. I will be doing more video on this tomorrow. Really don't have that many subscribers. Figured I'd try it out the YouTube thing, show what I've been doing and stuff. But yeah, there's my little homemade dumping trailer. I gotta put the lift back on it. Had to take the lift off, and that's what the Troy boat got replaced with. And don't know if anybody's into like restoring Cubs or nothing like that. Got that motor laying around here. I'm not doing nothing with it. If anybody wants it, just hit me up on my channel, leave a comment. Got completely rebuilt. It's supposed to be a 12 horse. When I got the Cub, well, the one Cub sitting out there, it was turned into a pulling tractor. The guy had it beefed up a little bit. And started generator, got it chain driven, works a lot better. And let's see, one last thing. Oh. Tablet screaming at me saying I'm dying, I'm dying. That's gonna be my next crawler. Oops. Damn cat. That's the next crawler. That's my nice friggin', I think it was like $160 a piece for these. This one's good. This one, bullshit. It exploded. And that was only with like 8 or 10 PSI in it. But I cut the outer bead out, and I managed to get a tire on the inside with a rim. Inflated it. Still works, whatever. And another thing, if anybody likes rebuilding motors, I cannot find friggin' parts for this motor. It's like a 32 horse or something like that, V-twin. Can't even find a maker on it. I thought it was Briggs, called Briggs. Search model number, can't find crap on it. I don't know. Think it come from like Cambodia or some shit, it seems like. It's crazy. Crazy. But that's it. It's old wizard.